Credit scores range between 300 and 850 points. If yours is between 601 and 659, it's below average, rated as fair by both FICO and VantageScore. It reflects a history of derogatory marks on your credit report, like missed payments. Despite that, you can get new credit cards and loans with this score. A score above 620 is also high enough for you to get a mortgage, and you'll even qualify for a decent interest rate. However, you can get better deals if you improve your score even further. To improve your score, you should pay off your debts, continue to make on-time credit card payments in full each month, and dispute any errors on your credit report. To check for errors, go to annualcreditreport.com to request yours once a year for free from the 3 main credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. If you're struggling to pay off correctly reported debts, contact a nonprofit credit counselor to get help. Just make sure they're legitimate and affordable. You'll probably be able to boost your score into the good range in a few months to a year. In the meantime, you'll probably get decent interest rates on the credit you qualify for, but not the best rates. If you're not happy with the credit cards you get, you can pay a deposit to get a secured credit card and use it to build up a positive payment history while your score recovers. To take the next step towards better finances, watch these videos.